Imagine standing waist deep in a gently flowing river. The sunlight glinting off the surface as you cast your line into the water. The thrill of river fishing lies in those peaceful moments, the anticipation and the excitement when you finally feel a tug on your line. But there's one challenge every angler faces: capturing the experience without interrupting it. That's where our video camera sunglasses come in, revolutionizing the way you document your fishing adventures. Our video camera sunglasses are designed specifically with outdoor enthusiasts in mind. Lightweight, comfortable, and perfectly suited for long days by the river, they fit seamlessly into your fishing gear. The built-in camera is discreet and easy to operate, allowing you to record stunning high-definition video hands-free. Instead of fumbling with your phone or a bulky camera, you can focus on what matters most: landing that trophy fish. One of the biggest advantages of our sunglasses is their point-of-view recording. Every cast, every reel, and every triumphant catch is captured exactly as you see it. This means you get immersive footage that puts viewers right in your shoes, experiencing the rush of the river and the excitement of every bite. Whether you're navigating rocky banks or wading through cool currents, you don't have to worry about missing a moment. The camera is always ready, capturing the sights and sounds of your fishing trip. But that's not all. Our sunglasses also feature a photo mode, making it simple to snap pictures of your catch without breaking stride. Got a monster trout or a feisty bass on the line? With just a quick tap, you can take a crisp, clear photo. No need to dig out your phone or risk dropping it in the water. The sunglasses are water-resistant and durable, built to handle the splashes and bumps that come with any river adventure. Imagine the convenience. As you haul in your biggest catch of the day, you're already recording every second. Then, with a single touch, you snap a photo to immortalize the moment. Later, you'll have a full visual record of your fishing journey, ready to share with friends, family, or fellow anglers online. It's as if you have a personal cameraman with you on every outing, making sure your stories from the river are never lost. With our video camera sunglasses, you also gain a unique perspective for your fishing content. If you love sharing your experiences on social media or creating videos for fellow fishing enthusiasts, these sunglasses make it effortless. Your footage is stable, natural, and authentic, capturing the real atmosphere of river fishing, from the calm anticipation to the adrenaline rush of pulling in a prize catch. We believe every angler should be able to relive their greatest moments and share them with others. That's why we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more tips, gear reviews, and incredible fishing stories. By joining our community, you'll stay up to date with the latest innovations in outdoor filming and get inspired by fellow anglers' adventures. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest fish you ever caught? Drop a comment below, tell us your story, and let's celebrate those unforgettable moments together. Whether it was a legendary catfish, a stunning rainbow trout, or a surprise catch you'll never forget, your experience matters to us. With our video camera sunglasses, every fishing trip becomes an opportunity to create lasting memories. Record, snap, and share, without ever missing a beat. So next time you head out to the river, make sure you're equipped to capture every cast and every catch. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your best fishing story in the comments, and join the adventure. Happy fishing!